Welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I deep condition, and today I'm going to be using the CoCo Repair by Aunt Jackie's, and this is from their coconut cream recipes line. This is their coconut cream deep conditioner, and I am going to be sectioning my hair in 4 parts, and then I am going to grab a little bit of the deep conditioner and start applying it with my fingers to my hair. I love this deep conditioner. It just glides on, and after I do that, I'm going to grab a brush to make sure I have enough product all over my hair. Then I'm going to start finger coiling, and I'm going to do that in all 4 sections. Infused with carrier oils that pulls nutrients into the hair shaft, Aunt Jackie's CoCo Repair coconut cream recipe helps to improve the look and feel of chronically dry, fragile tresses, whether damage is from chronic dryness, overprocessing with chemical strainers, or color, heat styling, braiding, or certain environmental conditions. CoCo Repair is an effective remedy to help return hair to a vibrant, softer state, especially good for 2C to 4C textures. And once you have applied deep conditioner in all 4 sections and you have finger coiled, go ahead and grab a shower cap and cover your head. And this part is optional. You can just leave it like this for 10 minutes and just rinse off. But I like to do this. I like to do this extra step to make sure the conditioner penetrates my hair better. I grab a heated cap and I cover my head for about 10 minutes. Once I cover my head for 10 minutes, I rinse off. And one of the things I love about this deep conditioner is that you can use it as an intense repair treatment for 10 minutes or as a regular rinse out conditioning treatment for 5. You can also use it as a regular conditioner. Every time you shampoo, you can apply this, and you're gonna leave the shower with super soft, super hydrated, well balanced hair. And that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.